Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a foundation review on the LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Long Wear Matte Foundation. And I'm going to be doing a couple of check-ins to see how the foundation looks at the end of the day. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I just did my eyebrows and primed and moisturized my face. Now I'm just going to apply the foundation with the EcoTools sponge.
I just showered. Oh my god. See, that's why I don't like to do it. Put the foundation on my face because sometimes it gets in my hair and that's hecka annoying. I could just clip my hair back. My freaking head looks like an egg.
So this is what it looks like. You cannot even see. Around my nose and around like the top of my lip, it looks like really dry. I also feel like on this area, it kind of just went away even though I put some. Like it looks like it doesn't have any here. And also on my forehead. Let me try adding a little bit more to those areas like my forehead and on the bottom of my cheek to see if it layers well. This looks horrible. My skin has never looked worse. Oh my god. Yeah, heck no. I am not gonna wear this foundation ever again. Let me see if you guys can see. No, it doesn't show it on camera, but my nose looks horrible. And like all over my cheeks, like you can tell I'm wearing foundation and it looks so bad. It's sitting on my skin instead of actually blending in, like you can just see it. And when I added a second layer, it even looks worse. It could also be because I have dry skin, so maybe it's like clinging on to like all of my dry patches and everything on my face. But I've tried matte foundations before and they have never looked this bad. I do not like this. I'm still gonna wear it throughout the day just to see if it looks nicer or if my concealer and powder and everything else makes it look nicer. Hopefully it does. So I'm gonna put the rest of my makeup on and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's 3:32 and I just finished applying all of my makeup and this is what it looks like. So it kind of still looks a little bit dry, but not as much as it did in the beginning. It kind of looks a little bit better. Okay, so both of you guys come look to see how my foundation actually looks, because when I'm not directly in front of the sun or like natural lighting, it looks really nice, but when you actually go to the sun, it kind of looks horrible.
Okay, your nose looks kind of like trash.
Yeah, that's what I
But
said.
everything else looks alright except your chin and your mustache.
Yep, that is exactly what I said. Okay, Andrew, you? And Luna wants to be in the video.
Wait, I don't have to actually like be in there. Okay.
So I'm seeing this
random. You hate it too.
Okay, yeah, I get what you're saying about it just looking like it's on top of your skin a little bit because,
A lot bit.
yeah, you can tell.
Okay, so I'm gonna wear this foundation throughout the whole day to see if it gets better or worse throughout the day. So I'll be checking in. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, it's been like 2 hours since I finished my makeup and I've been running around in the sun running errands. So overall, it looks a lot better. I feel like it's settled into my skin a little bit better. So it does overall look a lot nicer. Although on my nose, it's still a little bit like cracky and peely, but overall it looks really nice. So hopefully throughout the day it looks more nice and it settles in and doesn't look so bad on my nose. So I'll check in with you guys after work. Hey guys, it's 11 o'clock at night. I just got off of work and it's been 5 hours since my last check-in. I pretty much still feel the same about the foundation, except I realized that on my nose there's like no foundation at all there anymore. And I know it's because I wear glasses, but usually the foundations that I put on don't come off completely, and like literally there's nothing there. You can just see my skin. I don't know if you can see that right there. And on this side too. Overall, it did end up looking a little bit nicer throughout the day. On my face, it didn't look so dry, but I'm still not sure how I feel about it. So I want to try using it again and only applying one layer and adding a hydrating primer so it doesn't look so dry on my skin, because since I have extremely dry skin, the fact that it's matte doesn't really help, but I could still pull off a couple of different matte foundations, so hopefully when I try it again, it looks nicer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye guys.